In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum or ETH from the Bitget exchange. By following these instructions, you will be able to transfer your ETH securely and begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. You can do this by entering the Bitget URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the platform, which includes various trading options and account information. Next, locate and click on the wallet option. This is typically found in the navigation menu at the top of the page. After you click on wallet, a new screen will open displaying your wallet balances and various account functionalities. After that, click on the spot option. This will direct you to the section where you can manage your spot trading assets. You should now see a list of your available cryptocurrencies. Once this appears, click on the spot account link. This will take you to a detailed view of your spot account, showing all the assets you hold, including Ethereum. It's essential to verify that you have sufficient ETH available for the transfer. Then locate and click on the crypto option. This selection will allow you to filter your assets further. You may need to wait a moment for the assets to load on the screen. After the assets load, type ETH into the search bar. This will help you quickly find Ethereum among your holdings. Once you see Ethereum listed, you can proceed to the next step. Click on the EFT option when it appears in the search results. This action will take you to the Ethereum management screen, where you can perform various transactions, including sending. Next, click on the deposit button. This will open a new window displaying your deposit options, including the network you wish to use for the transaction. Ensure you have selected the correct network. After that, click on the Choose a Network drop-down menu. A list of available networks will appear. Select the one that suits your needs, ensuring it is compatible with the wallet you are sending ETH to. Once you've selected the network, click on the Deposit Address option. This will generate an address that you need to use for the transfer. Make sure to copy this address accurately to avoid any loss of funds. Finally, click on the Deposit button to complete the process. This will initiate the transfer of your ETH to the specified address. Keep in mind that transaction times can vary based on network congestion and your internet speed, so be patient as the transfer processes. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.